Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create this video with the coffee and the leaves moving around it. First, if you don't have our app downloaded, please download Lapse from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Then we are going to place the phone on the edge of a desk or a table so that it is facing straight down. You don't want your phone to be moving at all while you're shooting. I've got the grid enabled, which you can access on the bottom toolbar if you scroll right. And I just moved my black crystal board and the prop, the coffee and the leaves, so that it's centered. We're going to crop out the edges after, so I'm not worried that the black crystal board isn't taking up the full frame. But we've started with our leaves around the coffee here, and we're going to take them away one at a time, and we'll reverse it after so it looks like they're getting added. So what you do is you take a picture, remove a leaf, take a picture, remove a leaf. This is a pretty quick tutorial, and it has a really cute effect, especially if you have access to beautiful fall colored leaves like these ones. And once it's empty, take a photo, and then you are done. So let's click play here and see how it looks. So I'm going to choose to speed it up here a little bit. And we're going to crop it because we know we want this for Instagram feed. So we're going to do 4:5, which is the vertical. If you click on the tilt function, you can pinch and zoom and reposition the crop. So if you didn't shoot centered, this would be a great tool for you. We're also going to boost the contrast a little bit here so that the black is even blacker. Just let those colors pop even more. And we're reversing it so that the leaves get added versus being taken away. And like I said, I ended up deleting those shots. I always like to animate it when I'm shooting it, and then I have the choice after if I want to remove it or keep it. It's always good to have that option because it's hard to go back and set it up exactly where it was and have the right lighting. Plus it only took an extra few photos. It wasn't too much work to just get that extra shot in. And let's see how it looks here. Click save on the top right hand corner where the arrow is, and you're done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our videos in front of more people on YouTube. All about that algorithm. We'll be releasing the tutorials on how we created all of these videos using our app Lapse. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want to catch those tutorials. If you plan to recreate the video from this tutorial and post it to social media, specifically Instagram, I'd absolutely love to see how the video turned out. Please tag us at @lifelapse_app, or you can use #lifelapse, and you'll get a chance to be featured on our Instagram page. Thanks for watching.